Yesterday we had this protest where one day prior I had made it very clear to the media, which had come on some of the medias also, where I clearly had said that due to the congestion and traffic congestion which is taking place आणि लोकांक त्रास जाता, मडगांव साकून पणजे साकून मडगांव येवपाक 4-4 वरां लागतात, तेका लागून आमी महिला काँग्रेस along with GPCC will have a protest march, and that would be a silent protest march. We would not carry we would not go with vehicles, we would not be troubling with two-wheelers. Congestion जावपाना, आमकां फक्त चलून वचपाचें आशिल्लें एक लायन धरून, आनी तेच शिस्त बागून आमी काल एकठांय जाल्लीं. But to our utter shock, we were shocked to see SP, DYSP, DGP standing there with the police force. I don't know what crime we had created की इतले police force आयिल्लो. आणि जेन्ना आमी SP बाबाक, DGP, DYSP आमी सांगलें की आमकां फक्त एक लायन करून तुमी आमकां आमचे जे रूट आसा Kortalim cross till the Agassi junction, let us do our work peacefully. We were not supposed to trouble the traffic. We were not supposed to walk in between the traffic. We were not supposed to do rasta roko. We were not supposed to do halla bol on the traffic road and disturb the traffic and univers karpa. We are Congress party. We had made it very clear that we will be doing a peaceful agitation. But then when they were not listening, they were giving us stories. And I categorically told SP that I am not interested in knowing about your stories. If he is telling me, wait, let a contractor come, you talk to the contractor. Arre, what will a contractor come and tell us? Contractor will only come and tell us some 2-minute story and go. These people just wanted it to disappear. If they were so interested, आमची गरज कित्याक पडली तुमकां? 3 महिला लोकांक त्रास करता ते. I don't know what a crime I had committed. The way the police force came, there are pictures. It's on the Facebook. People can see everywhere on the social media. The way हांव बारीक मरे, म्हाका आनी कितें इतले पुलिसांची गरज ना, 10-15 पुलिसांची. कोण हात ओडटा आनी कोण भॅन ओडटा, कोणे दांडो घातलो भितर, हें आनी कितें? म्हाका दिसता व्हडले क्रायम करता, रेप करता, मोलेस्ट करता, तांकां तुका अशें टॉर्चर करून इनह्युमन वे बिहेव कोण करपाना. द वे I was treated yesterday. But still, and I told him I'm coming. They said no, we are putting in the bus. I told him respectfully वता, कितें केलां चल वता, तरी पासून ना. बुजाकने धरून म्हाका the way they put me in the bus, it looked as if I am the biggest criminal yesterday in Goa. But that will not shy us away. We have given them time. They should really come up with a solution. The road has to be repaired. The police has to maintain the smooth flow at the Kortalim junction. And third, common person should not be troubled, not be harassed. Don't put the blame on our goenkars. That they का शिस्त बागोंक येना, फास्ट वता, ओव्हरटेक करता. तुम्ही म्हाका सांगा, एक मनशाक 3 वरां एक जाग्यार दवरलो आनी ताका ताच्या मिटिंगाक पावपाक जाय टायमार. What do you expect? The government expects that person to leave at 5 o'clock to reach at 9 at office. Will he not be sacked out from the job? The child has to reach the school. There are some certain meetings. Patients have to go in GMC. Somebody has to catch a flight. It is your job, the government job, the PWD, the transport minister, home minister's job to put things in order. And as I've said, I wonder whether these ministers did travel from north to south or whether they have got jet aeroplanes or jet planes now.